Hello, welcome to the demo of our updated product costing and pricing calculator template. So this version is a lot more user-friendly, mas simple ang workflow, mas aesthetic na rin, and this is applicable sa mobile, sa iPad, or any other devices. And pwede nyo rin siyang isync later on sa Google Sheets. So, let's get started sa demo. We only have two sections dito. As you can see, we have an overview page and a supplies list section. So, sa supplies list section, dito nyo i-register lahat ng supplies na ginagamit in your production. So, you just enter the supply name, packaging quantity, price per pack, units per pack, and yung unit na ginagamit sa production. So, for example, grams per piece, ml, yan. And then, yung cost per unit, automated na yung computation later on. Now, kapag nag-copy kayo, may naka-autofill na later on itong mga samples na to. So, you just delete kapag hindi naman applicable sa inyo. Then later on, by the way, editable naman to anytime kapag may mga changes sa pricing or sa supplies ninyo. And then any changes you make, magre-reflect doon sa overview or product page ninyo. So, going back to the overview page, so dito at a glance, makikita niyo yung gallery view ng lahat ng products or services that you offer. So, meron tayong picture per product, and then yung product name, total COGS is yung total na ng material cost ninyo, labor cost, and the other expenses relevant sa production ninyo. Then we have selling price based doon sa target na profit margin ninyo, and then yung profit per unit, yun na, based din sa profit target ninyo. So, when you add a product, you can just click this add a product button sa taas or itong add a product card dito sa baba. So, kapag mag-add like that, you can just click this upload product photo. Ayan. Then, select a photo from your files or your device. And then, kapag save, click nyo lang to. Ayan. Then, kapag magde-delete, click nyo lang yung delete button, then click OK. So, let's take a look at an example dito. So, yung cream cheese frosted carrot cupcake. By the way, this is applicable kung pwedeng food business or any product or service-based business. Yan. So, meron naman tayong separate tables for each costing category. So, dito, I have a picture ng product. Then, yung product name, target na profit margin ko. So, adjustable to. You can input any percentage, same with the discount and yung tax. Then, below that, we have the batch and yield. So, for example, per batch, ano yung total output ko. So, for example, per batch nakaka-produce ako ng 24 na pieces ng carrot cupcake. Ayan. 24, and then i-group ko siya into 6 pieces per product. So, ang total na products na po-produce ko is 4 products. Wait lang. Ayan. And then, dito, sa material cost, I have another table for material cost. Ito, nakalink to dun sa supplies list. So, all the registered items from the supplies list, yun yung magre-reflect dito sa drop-down section. And then, magsaselect lang ako ng, ito, click ko lang tong add material. And then, mag-select ako ng product. And then, mag-autofill na tong unit, cost per unit, and yung line total. So, yung line total, nakadepende kung anong quantity yung i-input ko. So, for example, in this product, I need 100 ml. So, ang total na cost nun is 8.67 pesos. And then, ito yung total na ng materials cost. I also added another table for the labor cost. So, dito nyo lang input lahat ng role or task, and then input yung number of hours, and then rate per hour per role or task, and then automated na rin yung total niyan for you. Then lastly, we have the table for the other expenses like yung packaging, overhead, utilities, so any expenses na relevant sa production ninyo. And then, ito na yung cost per batch, and then cost per product. Automated na rin yung computation niyan. So, sa taas, ito na yung sa pricing calculator natin. So, ito yung total cost per batch natin, and then cost per product. Now, ito, yung base selling price, nakadepende yan kung ano yung na-input ko nga na profit margin, kung may discount ba or wala, and then tax, kung meron or wala, zero, input ninyo kung wala. Ayan, so pwede ko lang itong ibalik. Ayan. So kung meron, input nyo lang din kung magkano. Ayan. Oops. So, ito na yung total profit per margin, final price with tax, after discount, and then yung base selling price based doon sa target na profit margin. Then, nag-add din ako dito ng chart for the cost composition and then cost versus price na charting. And then, when you're done, just click Save Product. Now, upon your purchase, makaka-receive kayo ng email like this one. And then, meron ng step-by-step instruction on how to get started. So, dito, ang gagawin nyo lang is to open the attached file. Ito. I-open nyo lang yan and then click download. And then, you can directly open it sa dashboard niyo. So, sa dashboard, kapag na-download nyo na, i-delete nyo na lang yung mga sample na data ko dyan. Yan. And then you can start by clicking add a product button. So ito pwede niyo siyang bookmark, ayan, para easily accessible siya sa browser ninyo, or pwede niyo ring i-move yung file. Ito, pwede niyo ring i-move yung file sa desktop ninyo para mas accessible. Yan. So whichever works for you, yun yung gawin na lang ninyo para mas mabilis. Okay, so nag-add din ako dito ng settings section or settings page where you can customize yung currency. So by default, naka Philippine peso, but if you're gonna use other currencies, select nyo lang din dito sa currency section or space. Then, if you want to back up yung data using Google Sheets Sync, I have another tutorial for that. Kiklik nyo lang to. Dito sa step 4, i-click nyo tong link na to for that tutorial. So, nabilis lang yun, mga 2 to 3 minutes lang yung pag-set up. So, separate na tutorial na lang yun. Okay, so that's everything. If you have any questions or concerns, or kung may suggestions pa kayo para ma-improve yung system natin, just let me know. Okay, thank you so much.